Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here and I am doing a little Etsy update. I usually do that with my digitals, and I have a new field notes kit. So I had designed these for my fabric and they are lovely pages to add into our botanical and nature journals, or any journal really. So a lot of the things in these are from my own things that I have. A little bit of public domain, but like from the internet, but most of it is things that were in my ephemera. And so there's 10 pages as there is in the fabric. So I'll just go through them. Anyone who's bought the fabric know what they look like, but how lovely are they in paper. This is printed with my, I got an HP tank. I like some of the colors that it prints. Some of the colors I think it could be a bit better. For example, those ones were okay, but for example, I think I printed out this one. I like these colors more, although Steffi prefers this. So the jury's out whether, you know, which do you prefer. That's printed with the other more expensive ink printer. So that's, I've got that in one of my books, and this is one of my, I've got that whole set of books there with images in it, and that's book or wallpaper. All kinds of things have been included in these. And then I created a tag kit, and I prepared this. I don't know if I even prepared it maybe at the end of last year and I forgot about it. So I did some really lovely tags, and I used some gorgeous postal label tags that I have. And then I also used some of Steffi's ones that he created that are absolutely gorgeous. So, and I made them a bit field notey. So I think there's 6 pages of those. I really do enjoy the big tags too at times, rather than like a page with a whole lot of tags on it. So that's why I did them like that. And you could print 2 to a page and get smaller tags, or do the reduced size to adjust the size of the tags if you want them smaller. But so that's that kit. And then from my Field Notes ephemera fabric, I thought I made from the first set, set 1, I've made 2 ephemera kits. So this is kit 1, and it's just got lots of field notey, naturey ephemera to play with in the journals in all different sizes. So there should be something for everyone. And I've done 2. And then there will be kit 2, but I haven't looked at that yet. I'll do that at a later date. We don't need too many at once. There's this one. Yeah. And oh, the boiler man's just arrived. So in Italy, every year we have to do a service of our boiler and water heaters and stuff, which I think is really good because they can emit dangerous gases and stuff. So it's that time of the year. He's going to swelter out there because it's on the side of our apartment that's really hot on the closed-in terrace. So there we go. That's the 2 ephemera kits. Lots of fun things to play with. Journal pages, again, but great to also create with and back things with, and really fun. This is printed on the other printer. Just, you know, the colors are slightly brighter. They're a bit more toned down in the other printer. And there's that one as well. So lots and lots of fun things to play with. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. As we speak, we are away with our friends for the weekend. I'll be back on Monday. So any orders over the weekend won't be shipped probably until Tuesday and possibly Wednesday. But anyway, I think I'm going to vlog this trip a little bit now that I've learnt to take the sound off videos and do voiceovers. So that will be fun, and you'll have that to look forward to or not. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is well, and I will see you again soon. Bye.